Are you looking at enhancing your business analysis career? Then the CBAP certification may be your game changer. Here in Ciel Consulting, we have certified more professionals than any other training company in the past 3 years. Join our elite group of experts for well-tutored training in business analysis. Our training does not just guarantee you exam success, but then also helps you to build your capacity as a business analyst. From elicitation and collaboration, through requirements lifecycle management, as well as solution evaluation, you are covered and of course sure to be able to enhance your business analysis career. Whether you want an in-person class or an online class, our branches in Lagos, Port Harcourt and Abuja are there to meet your needs, and you can also join our online class from anywhere in the world. Join a elite group of professionals and enhance your business analysis career. Click on the link below to learn more.